Well, in this learning session, let us learn about a very important quadrilateral known as a trapezium. Now, a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides is parallel and non-parallel sides may be equal or unequal. Now, if you look at the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC. That means one pair of opposite sides is parallel and the non-parallel sides may be equal or unequal. Now we have therefore two different types of trapezium, that is isosceles trapezium and non-isosceles trapezium. A trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal is an isosceles trapezium. See, we have a quadrilateral here in which AB is parallel to DC and the non-parallel sides AD and BC are equal. It is an isosceles trapezium. In a non-isosceles trapezium, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and the non-parallel sides AD and BC are unequal. Therefore, it is a non-isosceles trapezium. Now let us learn the properties of non-isosceles trapezium first. Now when we talk about properties, we will learn the properties in terms of sides, angles and diagonals. Now let us learn in terms of sides. In a non-isosceles trapezium, as you know, it has got a pair of opposite sides parallel. That means AB is parallel to DC and the non-parallel sides are unequal. That means AD is not equal to BC. Now when we talk about angles, the sum of the angles at the end of the non-parallel sides, it is the non-parallel sides here. If I add angle B and angle C, the sum is 180 and so also angle A plus angle D is 180 degrees. Remember that. And the base angles are unequal. Therefore remember, in an isosceles non-isosceles trapezium, the base angles, angle A is not equal to angle B and angle D is not equal to angle C. In terms, now talking about the diagonals, in a non-isosceles trapezium, the diagonals are unequal. If you have seen, there are two diagonals, that is AC and BD, and the diagonals are unequal. Remember that. Now coming to the properties of the isosceles trapezium. I have drawn the isosceles trapezium here. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and AD and BC are equal. Therefore, a pair of opposite sides is parallel and non-parallel sides are equal. Therefore, it is an isosceles trapezium. Now, to study the properties of isosceles trapezium, we will learn in terms of sides, angles and diagonals. And let us study about the sides first. In isosceles trapezium, a pair of opposite sides is parallel and the non-parallel sides are equal. That means AD is equal to BC here. Now coming to the angles, the base angles of an isosceles trapezium are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equal to angle D. And also the angles at the end of the non-parallel sides is supplementary. That means angle B plus angle C is 180, angle A plus angle D is also 180 degrees. Now in terms of diagonals, there are two diagonals, that is AC and BD. The diagonals are equal. Please remember this, the diagonals are equal in isosceles trapezium and the diagonals intersect at point O to form similar triangles. Remember that. Now a very important property here again, we will talk about the area of trapezium. Now we have a trapezium here ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to DC. And AD and BC are unequal sides. That means it is a non-isosceles trapezium. Now we want to find the area of this. So let us draw the diagonal BD. When I draw the diagonal BD, the trapezium is divided into two triangles, that is triangle 1 and triangle 2. Triangle 1 is ABD and the triangle 2 is BCD. Now if I add the areas of these two triangles, then I will get the area of the trapezium ABCD. So let us draw up a perpendicular DM to AB and BN to DC extended to N. Now the area of triangle 1 will be half into base into height, that is half into A into H, and also the area of the triangle BCD will be half into base into height, that is half into B into H. Now in these areas of two triangles, half is common and also H is common, so it is half H and A plus B in the bracket, half H in the bracket A plus B. And therefore remember, to find the area of a trapezium, we have to use the formula half H in the bracket A plus B, where H is the height or the distance between the two parallel sides and A and B are the lengths of the two parallel sides. So with this formula we can find out the area of a trapezium. So please remember that. And if you are asked to find out the perimeter of this trapezium, trapezium, just add all the four sides. I have shown here AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is the perimeter of this trapezium. So please remember, to find the area of a trapezium, the formula used is half h in the bracket a plus b, where h is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides and a and b are the lengths of the two parallel sides. Okay, this is a very important formula which is used in geometry for finding out all those areas which have a shape of a trapezium. So remember this about trapezium, and we can use this in geometry and in different applications. Okay, thank you.